Welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you guys how to fix Windows search not working. So you just need to follow me. At first, please click on Start menu and right mouse click, then click on Task Manager. In Task Manager window and select Processes tab, then please find on Windows Explorer. Select Windows Explorer and click on right mouse, then click Restart. After then, click on Services tab and find out Windows Search. Click on right mouse and restart. After then, click on Open Services and find out Windows Search. Click on right mouse, then click on Restart. And finally, restart your computer. Hope your problem will be solved. Hope this video tutorial helpful for you. So please subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you for watching.